ethical climate, and significant others. XYZ company has a strong ethical climate where employees prioritize ethical behavior. When faced with a decision to compromise ethics for a tight deadline, an employee John considers the organization's commitment to environmental responsibility. Supported by ethical leadership, peers, and subordinates, John chooses to seek alternative solutions to meet the deadline without harming the environment. This decision reflects the company's culture of ethical behavior, where all significant others influence and uphold the organization's values, ensuring ethical conduct is prioritized and maintained. Ethical climate is a state where employees have a sense of right and wrong in the company without explicit orders or written rules. It is influenced by leadership, culture, and climate dimensions, which are significantly correlated and influence employee behavior differently.
Created using Powtoon.